Hello everyone, let's take a look at the lifting force test instead of pulling from double axles, which is different from the previous video where I showed pulling from single diff lock axle. And for today's video, I will show the power of double diff lock axles powered by a 12V battery powered drill motor, in order for it to transmit power to these double diff lock axles to run. And for this type of double diff lock axles, I can order it to run only the middle diff lock axles, and do not require the end diff lock axles to run or send power from the drill motor, but let it run only end diff lock axle, and let the middle diff lock axle stop working. Only the end diff lock axle is enabled, and it is also possible to enable all axles to operate at the same time. And this double diff lock axle, they can also operate as a differential axle. When they operate as differential axles, on both sides of the wheel, they will work differently, both middle axle and end axle. Soon I will use this drill motor to control this double diff lock axle, to lift this brick, and then I will add the bricks one by one. I will order these axles to lift these bricks. No, oh no. Look at this brick. This brick is unusually heavy. The reason why these bricks are unusually heavy is, look here, in this it is full of a lot of sticky soil. And these bricks are the same. Look at this brick. Look at this. You see, it is full of limestone. This is why these bricks are unusually heavy. Now the rubber band is broken. This is because all these bricks are so heavy that it causes the wire to break. In a little while, I will show the operation of each wheel of this double diff lock axle. For today's video, I reviewed the traction of a double diff lock axle, but, for testing in this video, it is not enough to unleash the capabilities of this set of double diff lock axle, and in this video, I also show some special points. For this set of double diff lock axle, I made it with care to make it strong. If I mention it, it will take longer, as the video is a bit long, so I will just end it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Good luck to you.